Pause. Alright, so Gan would say, what would Gan say? It's 3. Go back here and retest that. Inside that range again, right? See what happens. Might get away from us. But I would like to see it get up there again one more time. Alright, pausing. Alright, so we're making that push. Let's see what happens here. You mind shorting it close to that second line up there. You might have seen some volume kick in here somewhere. Alright, see if it runs up there at 37.12 mark, right? Got as high as 37.09 last time. Let's take it on. $13, $14, $19. There's where I want to take it on, right there. Alright, so what happens? Maybe I'll get lucky today. Okay, target. Same target as always. 35.52. Obviously, we'll take a lot less than that. 35.63, that's fine. Let's go ahead and lock in 5. That was a GAN signal right there. There's your GAN in play. Complex retrace, parabolic move. Let's hope we hit our lows now. Make a $2,000 day. Win 2,000 bucks in one day, man. That'd be awesome. Good news is we don't have to move 37 left. We'll just keep it there. So we're end up today. It goes back up here from here. And put the short, it's over. Short is over. Okay, so looking for us to retest down here and push through it. Which would be my best trading day of the year? Maybe. So we got 34 right there, makes 40. I like to be on even numbers, so we'll go 37.09. Okay, so what happens? All right, so the MACD kind of helped there. It helped me. I'll show you what I mean. I was looking at this. That wasn't really giving me any help. What was giving me help was that line right there, the slower moving average, and also knowing my GAN, my buddy GAN. My buddy GAN likes to move up in fours. Threes, I mean, and then shoot down in a down move, and likes to do the same thing in an up move. I'm just not as good at catching the up moves. Now, this is a true down move. It's going to come all the way down to here. going to come all the way down today. So let's put a horizontal line in so we know where it is, because we won't be able to see it once this all moves off the charts. That's kind of where I'm looking for the market to retrace back to at minimum. And I'm looking for that 12p move today. So 12p today from the high is 35.52. We'll go 11. It'll be 35.82. So let's move to 35.82. Call it 83. 11p down move. Bust through here, come on down a little bit further. So right around here is 600. A 10 ticks, 11 ticks from here is a $500 day. Puts it around 99. That's 15 ticks more from 34. It's not bad. Big number, common number of 3,700. Like I say, it push it minimally back down here to S2, 200 bar line. So right there is 600 at 90. So that makes 500 roughly right here. I don't like that this stopped right now. That's why I'm getting closer. Because I wanted to see it move quicker down. So I'll get my 50 ticks here. If it goes at 36.99, it goes at 37.01. That's my theory. If you get up to these big common numbers, you just don't know how far it's going to go up. Common number of 3,700, 3,750, 3,725, 3,775. You know, any quarter, 25, 50, 75, a dollar. Those are all common numbers in everything. So you want to watch where they are. If I end with 5, I'm not going to give back any of my gains at plus 50. I'm going to hold on to all that. I'm hoping for a hell of a lot more, though. Bust the lows. We'll hold our plus 50 gain. Make sure we don't get a slippage, which make sure we get that plus 50. And see if we can break here and come on down. I can get myself a nice win here today. Be patient. Every so often, the squirrel gets the nut, I like to say. We'll go 97. Don't want to see it come back here at all anymore. If it gets back up here to Remember that line that we talked about a long time ago? Here's your decision point today. Highest volume bar, failure bar. We don't want to see it get above or anywhere near here now. So let's actually move down to a common number of 95. It goes 95, it goes up. 95 will open up the door to 3,700 now again. $37 a barrel. So knowing that, let's go ahead and protect. Don't get too close to it, but I want to grab as much as I can. You know what, let's air to 96, 97. We'll use this line until we get to the S2. Then we'll come down a little bit further. Also watching for high red bar volume again, or anomaly bar, something strange here. This is what we traded right there, by the way. You saw me come in. That's what I saw. Blue bar, 940. All that started to line up together for me. It all lined it up. It all lined it up. It all lined it up perfectly for me, man. It just did. It just did. It just did. I'm nuts. And you know it. I know it. Oh, I like to see a big $1,000 day here. What do we got going on here? We need 33 ticks from 82. Oh, don't you dare. Don't be a dick. Go down. Oh well. We'll have plus 50 more. It's all right. We're good. I'm okay with this. If it takes me out, it takes me out. You'll see me do the old shut the platform down after this. And then we'll come back and look at it and pretend we had the tortoise on later. Why can't all days be down days? I know. They're so much easier to trade, honestly. Maybe we're going to have a good little run here for a while. By the way, I'm actually in, I resetted, and this is all counting today. And step 2. I felt good about what I've been studying, how I've been reapplying some of the stuff that I've been learning. I went back to the drawing board. Sometimes you got to go back to the drawing board and correct things that you know are not working. And what wasn't working for me was picking off tops. Picking off tops on an up day, it's killing me. Absolutely killing me. I got to get better on the upside. I mean, like I talked about in that one video a couple of days ago, I talked about the market has did nothing but go up from 37 to minus 37 to plus 40.44, 37 and a half. That whole move was like 77 bucks, and I'm trying to short the damn thing, getting my ass handed to me. Now I ended up making it through step 1, grinding my way through it. Now we're at one of those ones that if I could get, oh, can you imagine a one trade win here? What would that be? 2,000 bucks. 30. That'd make the market go to roughly 1500 from here. That's asking way too much today, but we can dream. Okay, made it to S2 there. Now it's a matter how far do we want to see the retrace. I'm going to go on the gold line right now. Our 50 bar SMA, I don't want to see that right now, so that brings it down to 92. It looks like 93. See if we can hold on to this puppy for a while. We have the 200 bar trying to hold here. That's what I'm looking at. This is the last line of support for a while until we reach down to the lows. Gets through here, we got a good way to come down. Then we're in this parabolic move part of it before that first retrace. By the way, this is a bad trade to take that first retrace. Found out over the years that I was like, hey, I'm missing something. And the thing I was missing is that when I started studying Gann, I started seeing that he started talking about fourth time through is how I interpreted it. It's one of my strongest trade signals in a short. Where did that get to? I got to 89. Okay, we'll go 3 ticks off of 89 to 92. At some point, the market's going to reverse. And so I'm just taking as much as I can. And let's don't forget the other side of this trade. The bottom might be in. Now, I would never trade this. This is for the pros out there. But that could be what happens too. It went up here to see what was there, testing, push it back up here. Here's your test. And it goes and pushes it back up here. That's the other side of this that is beyond my pay grade. I'll leave that for the pros that want to do that. All right, so I'm going to move down into 91. This can be violent coming back up. I'm just going to watch what happens here. I don't want to be on that yet. I want to see it break through, and then we'll go to 89. If it breaks through the 200 bar line, I'll move down a little bit. We'll see what happens at the S2 line. All right, let's move to 89. I really don't want to see 89 or 88 now. Okay, let's move to 87. Let's hope we can push now. All right, we're in this parabolic side of the trade that moved it up. Let's see if we can get all the way back down to this low. That puts it back to 36. What is that low right now? 36.16 right now. Is that right? Yeah, 36.16. So we're in that. This is the last line of resistance right there at 67, it looks like. Or support, excuse me. Put that on there so you see it. That's the last line of support. The market's got to break through to get to the lows. Let's move to the 5 now. We'll go to the 4. No, let's air to the 6. What I'm protecting against, once again, is something like this. All right, so let's move on down. 83. So how close do you want to be to that right now? What I'm protecting against is some pro traders coming in and drive this up here, because that could easily happen. See them bottom it out here, maybe come down a little bit further and drive this son of a gun up here quickly. But we'll be out, right? We're out. Let's move down to 82. At some point we're going to get stopped out, just the nature of the beast. This is the last line of resistance that comes support right now. So S2 plus 5 is 77. So let's move to there. We're protecting the 200 bar line now. A lot of common numbers, a lot of support and resistance all coming together. This could be a beautiful short on down here to the lows now. If I was a pro trader and had money, I wouldn't piss with it until we got back down to the lows. I would run it all the way down through the lows and then run it up. But I'm not a pro trader. I'm just a happy to be here trader. I will hold 77. Penny wise, dollar foolish right now. This is a good spot. It's forcing the market to come 5 ticks over the S2 line right now. I didn't even see that. 3666. Alright, so let's grab something here. Let's look out of curiosity speaking. Let's put the first Fibonacci retracement on. So, okay, so that's where it went to start with. Now let's put the one that could happen now. Yeah, I like that. That works. Alright, so one thing I've got to do here, that I just thought about it, is find out what 13% is today. I think it's nowhere near where we are, but let's double check. Okay, using 3960. Reference price of 3960 at 13%. 3960.13. We're almost getting stopped out here. 3960 times 0.13 is 515. 3960 minus 515 is 3445. So we're nowhere near. That would be, you'd have to be out before that. And then 3960 plus 515, 4475. So what I should do is make this, I don't want that a percent. It's just a normal number. Playing around on my spreadsheet right now. So 3960. I want to just make that a normal number. Where the hell are you? Let's just make it this. It's still showing as a percent. Make it a number. 3960. That works. And then we want to take that times 1.13. Did I say before? 3960 plus 515. 4475. That works. All right, so we need 3455. So we want equals that times negative 1.13. How'd I do that? Help me, help me. Help me, Rhonda. Help me, help me, help me, help me. Make that a negative number. Two negatives make a positive. Why doesn't that work? Maybe I need to go the other way at that. What's 13 minus 100? 87. So 87% equals this times 0.87. There we go. Now I'm playing with fire. Let's go 88 though, because that's not the right number, right? 3960 minus 515 is 34. That works. 3445. Boom, right on it. Here we go. See, my math works. Yay, David, for figuring it out. No decimals. No decimals. No decimals. Save. Boom, done. Let's make this a color box. What we going to do with it? What we're going to do with that box? Let's make it they're forcing me to do something with it. View add-ons. What do I want? Formulas, data, review, number, insert. What's that going to do? Insert, no. Format. I want to make you a coda. Where art thou? Add in the view. Formulas. Page layout. Insert. Oh yeah, insert. That might be the thing I want. So we want to insert. What do we want to insert? Did we just insert something and I didn't mean to? Let's undo that. Home, let's just make you a color. Where's my colors? There they are. Let's make you that. Ooh, I like that. Likey. Boom, done. For now. That's our 13% that we know we have to be out of the market with. All right, so what we got going on here? Underneath that, let's go protect the S2 line now. So it's at 72. We don't want to see that. So 71. Look at this right here. Almost 1,000 win. It's been a long day. It's a long time since I've had 1,000 winner. Right there at what, 50, 49? $900 is 61. All right, let's do it. So what do we want to see? I want to see the low before 61. Why not? Right there at 49 is 1,000. So that makes 59,900. You know what? Let's get that $1,000 winner today. Doesn't happen very often. Let's grab it. Be halfway to target on day one. Alright, so once again, what are we looking for? Let's go for that 12p target we talked about. 63. Let's go hunt down it. Let's go hunt down something. Where is my, here's my hourly chart. Let's go hunt down something here. How far can we go? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Like that. Likey, likey. That's 84. All right, so we need to be out of that before that. So 94. 93. Probably a push down there. 35.88. So let's go 35.99. There we go. This would give us $1,000 day right there. I'm good with that. Like to see that market push the lows. I think we do, but I don't want to give the gift horse up here. As this is a gift. This is a gift. Ha ha ha. That doesn't happen very often for me. Grabbing $1,000 winner, trading one. 5 trades today plus 100 ticks, 103 ticks actually. I'll finish today at, I'm done. I'm put a fork in it, it's done. We traded, that was probably the best trade I've had all year. Perfect setup, perfect retracement. The market played nice today. Plus 103 ticks. Cool beans. All right, 2-hour video. It's gonna take forever to process this son of a gun. All right, we'll do it. I'm out of here. I mean, well, I think I've given everything I could give today and more. I still think we got more down to go. I gave that target of 35.99. I guess, oh, it's only 11 o'clock. Feels like it's been all day long already. You guys can look at your own charts after the fact. 35.99, 35.82, 83. Looks like the market could fall down into that area. I'm going to take my $1,000 day and be that much closer to winning step 2. See you on next video I put together. Finally caught ourselves a nice little move there. So if I held 49, I'd still be in it. All right, I'm going to pause here. We'll look at it after the fact today. See what happens. Be back. All right, I think it's getting close to 49. It's kind of what I was looking at. I would have held it 49. See if it gets there. The high of that bar is 49. Yep. All right, that's it for this video. Don't know exactly where it'll finish, but hey, maybe I'll talk about it on the Facebook Live later. Bye for now. Good day for me. Up 103 ticks today. 5 trades plus 103 ticks. We'll talk to you later. Bye for now. It's David here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.